Cookie zo chate sunga political development lane ta khat ahung to kisain tuni nikho in KBC Center Church Hall muna Committee on Tribal Unity in organize ahinbol consultative meeting hi Sadar Hills Cookie zo leaders hozo se chuting le KZC Cookie INP Sahil ka student body organizations chuting le tribe organizations hozo se pan ala anawa chi consultative meeting hi anachi thlan ahi Hichi consultative meeting ahin Ministry of Home Affairs in Meitei Hole Cookie zo ho Delhi muna to home na neiding to agun ana neyuta kisain thuthu phabepi analawin ahi hichi meeting thu chungchang chule thuthu ho hi he chin theina diwin kotu chairman puto anaki holim muhite tuni consultative meeting hi ipi bola hongki gongham
Tuni consultative meeting hi adi ta achu Cookie zo leaders consultative meeting ti akigonga hi khatna ani na achu tuni a consultative meeting hongki gon lon pen ta hi ahi le Cookie zo council lamkai hole tingle MHA kyo dinga that 5 a kyo ding ti to gun ji achu e ho district sunga nam lam kai hozo se adia holam kai hi hanlang Sahil ka Cookie INP chuting le tribe ma lam kai hozo se ahin chuting le agam kaya lam kai hozo se pangkho ma tuni achu imakhowa kalsong ding nam lam kai ho kalson ding chungchanga hi sei khom lowa kho amtai ti ala chu hichi leaders consultative meeting hi hongki bong he
It's a meeting ahi ipi resolutions alole thulu na anakila
tuni leaders consultative meeting achun thulu na resolution thum anakila in akhat na cho hile cessation of hostility tunia eho Cookie zo chate hi mail hei gamsunga lut loading koiman achut lut loading mail hei hozong eho Cookie zo chate chenagam sunga hi koiman en chut lut loading ti hi number 1 a thulhu na kisim cho hin ani na a cho hi le hichi kinup to na cessation of hostility phat hi thagup sung hiding a pirin hi thagup sung hiding a hi athum na point a hi le hichi sunga hi Cookie zo chate political dialogue ACMP tai diu adia tunia SA separate administration movement ineyu tunia lungkitu ta Cookie zo chate MLA ho ahin chuting le su group ma ho ahin CSO chuting le mi pin kilung khat ta demand in a bolo SA separate administration UTV legislature itiu hichi demand pa hi hichi thagup sunga hi dialogue patai tai ding ti hi tunia kinup tu na hin hichi point thum ki pe ho hi Cookie zo council lam kai ho hin MHA to kyo na anei tengu le terms and condition tampi anei la wa chu hi chi point thum ho jong hi pansa te ding ti hi tunia ginup tu naw ginup tu na anakila chu he
Go-to chairman pu akonin tuni consultative meeting athulu anakila ho chule Kukizo Council Delhi mona MHA to kiho na ding to dol ho kichin ta in ihetawin nun hoi ngai lut KBC Center Church Kamopi District Headquarters.